panguva ino VP Costa anochiwenga vashedzera panguva ino achireminder the people in the ruling party ZANU-PF, especially those who are opposed to him, those who are running with the banner Vision 2030 achiita constitution amendments. Panguva ino achiudza kuti no, history of our revolution cannot be rewritten by those who have not have take part in it. Zvakapinda mashoko anoda panguva ino because tanochiwenga chiti their history cannot be erased so easily. Kuti panguva ino mukangouya motobvisa the one man one vote, panguva ino mukatongouya muchitongobvisa VP Costa anochiwenga from the succession matrix. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tinoda pa operation Soul Legacy page mudanyira chiti history of our revolution cannot be rewritten by those who have not been part of it. We strongly urge the party to stop reckless utterances by politicians from the ruling party. The current paging of which is currently targeting members of the party with a liberation background must stop forthwith. Retired General VPCGD and Chiwenga Doma developments are kuda panguva ino our general vachishedzera vachiti aiwa ngazvimiswe zvekuataka all those panguva ino vanoonekwa kunzi vane liberation war background, vari kuonekwa kunzi one by one, brigadier by brigadier, general by general, they are dropping. Some are being fired, some vari kutsakatika. Developments are kuda panguva ino kuchinokodze vamwe they are being reassigned. Kunyazobuda panguva ino kuchibuda pachena kuti these generals they are being attacked. Mumwe nemumwe panguva ino who took part angava a war veteran, so long as opposed to the bill, they are being eliminated. Pina comment section metu tsafunga inyimbo kuti pause rechitwa ichi generally calling for order in the ruling parties and pina comment section metu tsafunga enyu musanga subscribe or like chita on the bell icon.